Hi guys, so today I'll be explaining this question. This is taken from IGCSE 0606 Maths, or as known as AppMaths, 2006 November, and this is question 12, the big question. Usually last time they will have a very big question which can be worth up to 15 marks. So today I'll be doing the big question in the 2006 November paper 1, by the way. There's no variant, I think it was just paper 1. Yeah, I'll be doing this question 12. So yeah, let's start. So the diagram shows the part of the curve y is equals to 4e minus 2x, which crosses the axes at A and B. So my first question is, find the coordinate of A and of B. Next, the normal to the curve at B meets the x-axis at C. So find the coordinate of C and show the area of the shaded region is approximately 10.3 square units. So in this tutorial, I'll be answering all of these questions. So let me just put it up, just so you guys hopefully can see it. Alright, so can we do the first question? I think I will need a lot of space for this, so yeah, I will keep copy and paste. So what we can see, right, from A, you see it does is the y is equals to 0. Straight away we know. But now we have to find the x value. So, and for B, we have the x value which is equal to 0, but we have to find the y value. So to find coordinate A and B, to find the coordinate A, I'm gonna sub 0 inside the equation. So 0 is equals to this. So you solve the equation. Negative 4 is equals to negative e minus 2x. So you will have e minus 2x equals to 4. So negative 2x equals to ln 4, because I ln both sides. And then, so x is equals to 1 over negative 2 ln 4. Or I can simplify this into negative 1 over 2 bracket 2 ln 2. Because ln 4 I can rewrite it as ln 2 square, which can be simplified to 2 ln 2. So which is what I wrote now. So you cancel out the 2, you will get x equals to negative ln 2. So if you press your calculator, you will know that it's equals to negative 0.693. But today I am going to write it in the exact form. So A coordinate is negative ln 2 and 0. So for B, so I have to sub x equals to 0 inside the equation. Y equals to 4 minus e to negative 2, 0. So the y has to be equals to 4 minus 1. Y it has equals to 3. So B coordinate is equals to 0, 3. And you're done with the first question. That's all. That's all it's asking me. Quite simple. Let's move on to the second question. Let me just get more space lah. Okay, so from what we know now, can we just write what we have here for now? A, the coordinate is negative ln 2, 0, and B is equals to 0, 3. Right. Alright. So let's see the next question. The normal to the curve at B meets the x-axis at C. So this is the normal line. This is the normal line. This is the normal line. I'm just changing the pen. This is the normal line. Okay, and this is the curve. So they both touch at B, which is a big clue here. And now I have to find coordinate C, am I right? So for normal line, what you have to know is tangent, you multiply by normal line is equals to negative 1. The tangent line and the normal line, which is somewhere here, let me just sketch that, is always perpendicular to each other. This is a must. So now I have to find the curve's tangent line. This curve's tangent line. To find the tangent line, I can differentiate it. So y equals to 4 minus e negative 2x. So dy dx respect to y and respect to x of this equation is equals to, so because 4 is a constant, so we can just ignore it. It's just negative e negative 2x. So there's a formula. It says that eax plus b, when I ddx, you will get ax plus b. This is a rule, so you have to remember in IGCSE. So it's equals to negative 2 negative e negative 2x. Simplify, you will get 2e negative 2x. So this is your, so this, now I have to find the dy dx, which this dy dx will lead to the gradient of the tangent. So because it touches at b, I can say that when x equals to 0, which I will use this coordinate, so dy dx is equals to 2e negative 2, 0. So this becomes 2 times 1, 2. So what can I say for the next statement? I can say that tangent, which is 2, times normal, which is, I'm going to represent it as n, equals to negative 1. So I have to find the normal line's gradient is equals to negative 1 over 2. So now we know that it touches at b, we have the gradient, so we can use y minus 3 equals to negative 1 over 2 x minus 0 to find the straight line of the normal line. So y you will get equals to negative 1 over 2x plus 3. Yeah, correct. So now I know that c, it has to be one of the value, it has to be 0 at the y, because it crosses the x-axis. It meets the x-axis, that means the y has to be 0. So now I have to find the value of x. So when y equals to 0, so this 0 equals to negative 1 over 2x plus 3. So 1 over 2x equals to 3, x equals to 6. So the coordinate of c is going to be 6, 0. Okay. So I finished the second question. Now I'll be moving on to the last one. The last one is the tough question. It's a really tough one. Let's see. Show that the area of the shaded region is approximately 10.3 square units. So let's see what we have here. We have coordinate A, negative ln2, 0. Coordinate B, I'll be using red pen, is the biggest question. B is 0, 3. Now we have C, 6, 0. Okay, so we have this, right? Firstly, what you have to know is OBC, this OBC sector does not connect with the y equals to 4 minus e power negative 2x line. You see, if you look closely, it doesn't really connect. So actually we can find already one. Let's name this as AOB sector, and this one will be OCB sector. So OCB sector, C is 6, right? So this is 6 units. B is coordinate of 3. It has a coordinate of 0, 3, so it's moving 3 to the up, so this is 3. So can I say that sector OCB is equals to 1 over 2 times 6 times 3. So it's equals to 9 units squared. Okay, now for the hardest part, to calculate sector AOB. AOB, I have to use integration. Whenever you see area under the graph, mostly integration must use. So integrate the upper bound, which is 0, lower bound, which is the coordinate x coordinate of A, negative ln2. Then just rewrite back the axis you need to integrate, which is 4 minus e negative 2x dx. Okay, then now what we have to do is I have to integrate. This is for x. There's another rule. Ax plus b, when I integrate, you will get 1 over a ax plus b. So 1 over a, which is negative, for now this will be a little bit hard, negative 1 over 2, is it ke? Wait, yeah, e negative 2x. This will be a bit long lah. Then just rewrite back the boundaries, the limit. So you simplify this, you'll get 4x plus 1 over 2 e negative 2x 0 negative ln 2. Now it's time to solve it. Put the upper boundary, substitute the upper boundary. So in that case is 0, and then minus the lower boundary, which is going to be 4 ln 2. 4 minus ln 2 plus 1 over 2 e negative 2 negative ln 2. Okay, press your calculator, hold on a second. Okay, so just press your calculator lah. From what I know, this is 0, this one becomes 1, so this will be 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 minus 4 multiplied by negative ln 2 on okay, plus 1 over 2 1 over 2 e negative 2 negative ln 2. Then you have the break bracket. So you will get one sec, let me see if my calculator any wrong. Okay, you will get plus 0.77259. So your answer would be 1 over 2 0.5 plus 0.77259, 1.27259, 1.27259. So total, you're not done yet. This is just sector AOB. So total is equals to take AOB plus OCB, which is 1.27259 plus 9. Your answer will be 10.27259. Round up is 10.3 unit square. And remember to write the last statement, show. And you're done. So yeah, this is how the working should be. Just preview. Firstly, you calculate the first equation, find the coordinate of A and B. Then after that, you might have to use some differentiation. This is how the question usually are. Differentiation to find the normal line, tangent line, and then find the coordinate asked you. And then the last question, obviously the big integration has to come into play, because in the end it still wants you to find the area under the graph. So yeah, so this is how you are supposed to show lah. This is all the steps you have to show to in order to have the chance to get a full marks. So total mark for this is quite high, 11 marks. So yeah.